Hello friends, good morning. Today I would like to explore some more apps from our own Odoo Community Association. And this time I am focusing on inventory apps, which will allow us to, create invoice directly from picking. So invoice or bills you can do directly from your inventory, receiving or delivering notes or advices. So I have installed these connected apps along with one more app. And after installing that, what we will do, like we have registered our products with a cost over here. The only thing which I would like to mention, like this app works best when you are using a standard template cost, because cost component is not able to change over here. So when you are using a standard cost, you can directly create a receipt. So I am creating a receipt from my vendor one and I am adding my product. So you can see I have just fetch a related field to represent the cost. I cannot change this cost right now, and I am receiving 10 products each from my vendor. So here see you can find a few more buttons and invoice status also, which you can use over here, like to be invoiced or already invoiced. And I am doing mark as due and validate. And once I click set to be invoice, now I can directly create an invoice. Like this will become a vendor bill from my picking. So I can do group by picking by partner or product or both. And it will directly create a bill from my received or receipt advice over here, and then I can confirm this and it will register my stock interim received account with tax paid and everything according to our product configuration. The same way, now you can see your inventory goes up with 10 plus 10 11 units, and when I am making any delivery order to any of my customer, like product 1, I'm delivering 2 units, the cost is here. The sales price you can definitely set on your purchase cost, on everything will be available, because purchase cost is not here, and unit price it's also not available because I haven't set any sales order over here, neither I have installed any sales or purchase apps. So now with my delivery order over here, I am planning to deliver this product 1 2 units and validate, and here I can create invoice like customer invoice from picking, and here I can set a price. So I am changing price to 250. That is allowed over here because now cost of goods sold will be taken automatically from my product. So you can see 100 each were taken against product 1 from my standard template price, and the selling price is set over here. So with this module you can skip sales and purchase processes and directly create invoices and bills from your inventory notes. So receipt and delivery both can become your one single point of evidence to create such a receipt and delivery item. You can use this module if you don't want to use sales and purchase, but do remember this will only work when you have a standard template price set over your product. Okay, so this is how these beautiful apps are available for free, and you can use this app in different way, because sometimes we also wish sales and purchase, where I can do sales, I can deliver, and then from delivery I can generate invoice, not from sales to invoice menu. So this app is useful in that way also. If you have any question, any use case, or any specific need, do reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel, and you can download this particular app from my YouTube video description. I will send the link over there. Thank you guys. Have a good day.